Hi, Matt again from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres over in the UK. What I'm going to show you today is a couple of little vehicles we're working on at the minute. Brand new Amarok V6. Going to have a quick walk around, talk about some products, see what we've got, talk around them and show you a little bit about it. So, first one we've got appeared on a video the other day on one of our other vehicles, but the tailgate dumper. So again, same scenario, pull handle, let it go, soft close. Damper's all installed here, can be easily installed at home as well, doesn't really need a professional fit, just to me any given product for any pickup truck. What you also might see in there is one of our swing cases. We do them both sides, left and right, just to give you a little bit of demonstration of how they work. Little yellow handle there, pulls out. A little bit of a tool case, so just ideal for keeping stuff in, stored away, doesn't rattle around in the back. Locks into place on a catch on there as well. Moving round, we'll have a look round. As you can see, we've got our Raptor here. It appeared on a couple of videos the other day. There'll be some more products added to this as well later on in the week, so we'll do some more videos for that. Bonnet garden things on this, but we're going to put some more. We've got some bed slides and pull-out trays coming for the rear of the vehicle as well, so that'll be appearing later on in the week. A little bit of detail on the side while we're here is we've added some wind deflectors to this car as well. Great, we all know what wind deflectors do in regards to wind noise. When you've got your window down, it just makes it a nicer experience. But one product that I really do like on this car, really neat integration from Laser. So this is Laser's 750 Elite integration kit for Amarok. I think what they do really well, Laser, is with their integration kits, it looks like it's supposed to be there. Really subtle, really powerful light, and just looks amazing and finishes it off as well. So we have got some more products to do to this later on today, so I'll give you a little bit of an update with some canopy, with the canopy going on the back. What you might have seen or not seen over here in regards to this one is we've had a Merc dropped off, camouflage wrap, not been supplied by ourselves, that's been supplied by the customer, but we have put some little details on this ready for them to collect. So we've got our 20-inch Denali wheel on here with a, what tyre have we got on there? Yeah, just a general grabber AT3, really good on the road. Again, there'll be some links down. It's becoming our tyre of choice, really. We sell a lot of these because they work well on and off road, not a lot of road noise, just a great tyre. So we have put one of our sidebars on here as well, put a pair of them on. So this is a black Mixers Media sidebar, especially for X-Class. Nice and subtle, really finishes it off really well. If we move a little bit further around the front, we've got a bit more space around the other side. Air bar that we've added as well. Just adds a little bit of aggressiveness to the front end, looks really nice. Coming round to the back, what we've also added is we've added our roll and lock system. So you've got a roll and lock system on here with a roll bar, fitted with a quick foot kit, which is made to work with the roll and lock product. You've also got your third brake light up there, satin finish, really looks nice. Roll and lock product, if you're not familiar with, so this is a roll and lock lid. So all you've got to do, turn the handle. What you've got from here as well is you've got a little bit of a rope here to attach it to, just locking that close, all the way back. Great access into there, keeps stuff stored away, great security. Pull it all the way back, and lock. Also comes with a lock on there as well. What I'll put is put all the products on here that we've had a quick look around. There's some links at the bottom of the website. Have a look through. Anything you want any more details on, please just get in touch.